The Redmi 12C looks somewhat similar to the Redmi 12 series smartphones that were launched earlier this year. It has a squircle camera island that features two cameras, an LED flash, and a fingerprint sensor. The device has a curved back with a textured design. On the front, there is a flat display with thin bezels and a V-shaped notch. Moving to the specifications, the smartphone packs a 6.71-inch display that offers high resolution. The screen is likely an LCD. Redmi 12C is equipped with a MediaTek Helio G85 processor, supplemented by LPDDR6 RAM and M.5.1 flash memory. The smartphone weighs around 192 grams and has a thickness of around 8.77 millimeters. For photography, the handset has a dual-rear camera unit on the back with a 50MP main sensor. There's a 5MP snapper on the front for selfies and video calls. The 4G smartphone is fueled by a 5000 mAh battery and supports 10 watts charging. It has the usual connectivity options like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and even a 3.5mm headphone jack. Talking about the price, the Redmi 12C starts at $699 $101 with 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage. It is also offered in 4GB plus 128GB and 6GB plus 128GB storage variants, which are priced at $799 $115 and $899 $130, respectively. The handset is only available for purchase in mainland China as of now.